Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and I have a show and tell on my table today. So these are beautiful prestige crystals, and we have some fancy stones, pendants, and beads. And these are all part of the Prestige Crystal Innovations collection for fall, winter. So I'm going to go through one at a time and show you what they are, and I've worked a couple into projects already, as you can see. So over here I have these beautiful majestic pendants. So they're almost like a teardrop shape, but they've got all these beautiful facets. You see how they really catch the light? I'll show you both sides. So they've got kind of a flat top on one side and a pointed on the other side. And they come in 3 different sizes. So the smallest size right here is going to be 9 millimeters. The medium size is going to be 11.5, and the large one is 16 millimeters. And you can see I've worked them into a pair of earrings right here, and they work up really nicely. So this is a 16 millimeter, and I have a 6 millimeter jump ring, which went through it very nicely. And then here I have the little medium size one right here as well. And then up here I have these new olive beads. So the olive beads, if I can pick one up for you, they have all these little diamond facets. They too come in 3 different sizes. So we have the small one, which I've used here to make little crystal links in this necklace. The small is 5 by 4 millimeters. The medium right here is going to be 7 by 6 millimeters. And the large one right here is going to be 9.5 by 8. So a lot of different layering effects you could do with these, stringing, really great projects because they're a really versatile bead. This is almost like a round or a bicone, and that'll work up into a lot of different projects. Then last but not least, we have the new Crystal Ignite color. So there's 3 of them, and they're available in fancy stones and flatbacks. So this large one right here, so pretty and sparkly, is going to be Crystal Maroon Ignite. Over here, I have Crystal Purple Ignite, and I want to show you what I've done with it. I've made a little earring, which I'm calling my Hocus Pocus earrings. So this is for Halloween. You can see even in that beaded bezel, it still really sparkles. And then one of my favorite colors has got to be the Crystal Orange Ignite. I like this. It's this really soft orange. So I'll pick this one up as well, and you can see those beautiful sparkles, and then what it looks like on the back, and then what it looks like on the front. So lots of great sparkle, lots of ideas of what you could do with these. We've got the Majestic Pendants, the olive beads, and these new Crystal Ignite colors. Now all of these are available for sale at beadaholique.com. And I've got project tutorials and videos and different things showing you what you can do with them, how you can work them into your designs. So if you like these, please do head over to Beadaholique and check out the selection. They come in a ton of colors for the olive beads and the majestic pendants. And then these guys come in wonderful different shapes for your flatbacks and your fancy stones. And then if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed this quick show and tell of the new Prestige Crystal Innovations.